Hello, this is Arabella from Arabella's Heart for Book Arts. I've been sick for about 2 weeks now, so I wanted to make a quick video for you all to let you all know that I'm still here. I want to do this quick because I don't want to cough in the whole video. So I made 2 new digital papers, and I printed everything out and set my printer to do 2 at 1 page for 1 page. It's an A4. I made a change and I put these 2 into it, so it's A4. So what you will get if you want to print it out onto A4, you will get a whole sheet. So this one will be in the length for the whole sheet, but I wanted to let you know what I was doing. And excuse me, by the way, I'm still trying not to cough, but that didn't sound right. So yeah, so I wanted to show you all the 18 papers, but then in a smaller size. So this is the one I made for a book for my sister, and I made it into sort of a vintage one, and I made it in one in pink. So those are the first 2, so to speak. And then I also made a purple with 3 excuse me, like that. And this is sort of an envelope book. I want to see if I have it. I will pause the video. So this is the original one. So this I made from this. This is my yeah, from a shipping envelope. I made a junk journal, a painted junk journal. Excuse me. And this is the inside, and I also use that same one, if I can find it. Yeah, that will be this one thing. No, yeah, that's this one, but that one I changed digitally, so it's more, this is more pink in my book, and here it's more yellowish brighter color. So I did make some changes, and I also want to make digitals out of some of the pages came out really nice. Don't sound right. So this is something I did with my ink pads, and then I watered them down, and this is with just a mop-up page. It's looked interesting to me, so excuse me. And I will make also digitals from this, so that is my plan, from the ones that I like. So this is watered down acrylic paint that makes it look like watercolor paint, and that I learned from Shannon Green to do, so I could do a video of that. But this yeah, this really resembles the cover from this. So also made a bright one for the middle, and also a few different digital writing pages just for fun. And this is also acrylic, so you can see that you can do with acrylics, you can also do a lot. So that, and this one. So I will scan that one as well, and these were already scanned, so the outside one, and I also enlarged that at first, so because I wanted to see if that was up to standard for me. So this is the original one, and I will show you the rest of the digital ones, but then I made them into yeah, half of the page. So you will get the A4 size, and this is 2 for 1 page. I set my printer to print 2 for 1 page, so that's why the printer made it half. So this is normally A4, and that's why. And these two are yeah, I made like this, so it has the same theme, but I changed it. So this is the inside cover that I scanned, and then made a few changes digitally. Excuse me. And I also scanned the whole envelope, so you can, if you print this out into A4, you can make your own shipping envelope with bright colors if you would like to do that. And this could be a fold-in, or you can do so many things, make a cover with it, or yeah, I will show you if you would want me to make a tutorial with it. This is a template, so you can print this over everything you want, and then you will only have these markings, only the outline, only this baker's twine, and only these marks. So that should be very interesting if you would want it to be purple, pink, whichever color you would like. That is the color that you will have, plus you will have these markings. So this is sort of an experiment, but I really want you to tell me what you think about this. So this is the green version. I want you to have some different ones. So I have 2 of those, and here I left a few more markings. So if you like that better. So this is also an A4, but you could also do 2 for 1 page, of course, if you would like that. And then you will have a front and a back page, or 2 smaller envelopes, whichever way you would like it to be, of course. Here I made more distinctive flap. I really like that idea, so I like the colors. The colors are really very vibrant, and that's of course because the original one was yeah, vibrant as well, so that really came out. That's why they came out so pretty. And I also made sure it is really good quality, so you will even see the dots of the spray paint that I used to paint these papers. So I gave you yeah, more variation, if you would say it like that. So this is the inside cover again, a smaller version, and also made with this in blue. So my printer went crooked, so that is why it's so. Normally you will have a whole page, but yeah, something went wrong. The papers weren't straight into my printer, so here I made a few yeah, sort of a patchy look. Here you will have 2 pages more of those patchy look that I really like, and this really looks a little bit metallic even. That's what I was thinking. So this white is a little bit metallic-y for me. Yeah, this one these are also really bright, so I changed these digitally, and this I made darker so that I enhanced all the colors. So, and this one has a blue in the back, and so if you want this to be the cover, you could do that, or make an envelope style booklet, or make a full-size book. It's also possible. So this one I made dark blue with green, and this is a little bit different, but side by side you will see the difference. But here you see more purple. So you see the stamp of yeah, that envelope. So that, I thought that was a nice touch. that you see that digitally so well. This one, and this is an experiment. So my printer went crooked, as I said, but I am experimenting with my yeah, I'm making her digital. So this is my circle lady, and I will get the original. So I have it, of course, in A3. So this is so very big, and I scanned it and then made it into digital. So I am working on that, and that will be available on my Etsy as soon as possible. So I really love that the colors were still really vibrant. This was a little bit more purple, and I like that. But this idea is a new idea I have to make drawings I have, make them in a mirror image, and that is because I am working on my digital new template that is shaped as a butterfly, so I can use this to make that, but you can also use it like this, of course, so just like a booklet, or use one for an A4, and I will also she will also be available in larger sizes, so an 8.5 by 11. I now have an A4 excuse me, 8.5 by 11, and I'm also working on a new one, and that's a 12 by 12 pack, so digital. So yeah, and you see my name here, it's in reverse, so I thought that was a nice touch. So this is it. Let me know what you think about my new bright, vibrant kit, and I will see you in my next video, and I hope I will be all better, and I will be working on my my large book. So tutorial number 5 is filming as I'm filming that as we speak. So I will see you then, and yeah, let me know what you think about this new idea with this mirror image. I will work that out, and then yeah, I'm really excited about this, to make this into a butterfly. Would you believe that? A book as a butterfly shape, and then with a circle lady in it. Yeah, I'm really so excited about that. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you then. Bye bye. Doei. Doei. Briefje, wat zie je allemaal? Hè? Wat zie je allemaal buiten? Gaan ze naar buiten toe? Ja? So cute. Hey Daisy. Hey Daisy, what you doing? Hey Daisy, what you doing? Are you looking outside? Hey girl, what you doing?